this is.
Gee,
You should probably
I
be
don't
over
think
here
so.
next
Well,
time.
Something like that.
It's probably, I bet it's not
You should be over
Made
here
a
next
bowl
to
yesterday.
Riley.
Is
You should be
Riley?
over here next to.
That's one.
No, he's fine.
I'm gonna have to change
It's a
location.
letter?
He's
Yeah.
fine.
That
He's
must
fine,
mean
Mom.
It's too big.
He's
Yeah.
just.
Don't forget
That
to
way.
share this gift with your brother. It's
He's got a
hiding
good angle there.
Under that
Okay.
is 3 doors. Can you read this? If you,
What's it say?
it's okay. It says, don't forget to share.
Nanda?
Don't forget to share this with your brother.
Okay.
It's hiding in the closet that is 3 doors down from the bedroom of your family member whose birthday is on January 11th.
So the closet is.
January
Oh,
11th.
right.
What's up with your
Yeah,
boss?
so 3 doors down, that would be
1,
2,
2.
3, be
It's
the
the
closet
closet in the
where
hallway.
Nana puts the towels and stuff.
Aww. I always have to go upstairs.
Well, maybe Santa didn't have enough room down here.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Okay. Well, as soon as
It's in the
Riley
towel?
sees them.
Oh,
Santa didn't have any place to put it down here. So
wow.
he hid it. Is there anything? Is there anything there?
Yes.
Okay, bring it down.
It's still small. Couldn't you just put this on the table?
It's
Well-
too small.
Actually, he was probably up there filling his stocking.
Oh yay, that's what I wanted.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, it's
What
for
is
Riley.
What's that?
I don't know.
It's a pop.
What is it?
Did Santa know this?
Yes.
What is
No,
it?
It's like an ice cream thing.
It,
Oh, it's a microphone.
it's like balls. Remember that track outside?
There you
It's
go.
where you put the balls on.
Oh, okay.
Remember the broken track of it?
Yeah, we
That's
gotta
one-
fix the
That's
track.
one of the new balls.
Cool.